Hello, I'm back. So, gusto ko lang i-share, just want to share the hair tools that I love to use and for my short hair. And it's a very comfortable and it's a very, very easy, effortless to make our hair, to make my hair more volume, to make my hair quickly dry. And it's very safe also. Actually, there is an original hair tools like this and that is the Revlon. But this is not from Revlon. I buy this at Amazon. So, and you can see this, it's not quiet. It's just similarity of the Revlon, everyone. If you can see the Revlon of this 3-in-1 hair dryer volume hair tools, everyone. So I love this, and you can adjust this from high, middle, low, and off of the like that. This is low, this is medium, this is a high. So you can see this, and it's a very easy to dry your hair. And of course, I'm using this. This is a product na ginagamit ko usually. Actually, besides the hair oil, where is my hair oil? Ang hair oil ko, nakalimutan ko, ay nandito pala. So, nandito yung hair oil ko. So, this is the product na ginagamit ko right now. And this is my hair oil. And of course, after I take shower, everyone, I'm using this Accelerator Lemon Lime Hair Grower. So, you can buy this at Amazon or I think in drugstore. So, this is the product na ginagamit ko for my hair because yung hair ko is very thin. As you can see, I have a very thin. But thanks God right now, talagang tumutubo na siya. It's because it's just 1 month already I take off my hair extensions. And I think my hair is gonna more relax right now. The scalp and the roots of my hair is getting, I think, more okay na. So I'm using this one, and for my hair grower, for my for the hair treatment to the scalp, and yeah, this one. And I think you can buy this at drugstore. There is in the drugstore this one. And I'm using this oil, deep repair hair oil. I'm using this one, and this one is Rafixia hair oil. This one. So this is the hair oil na ginagamit ko. And for my hair spray, I'm using this fiber hold spray. Hindi ko naman mabasa to. Spray Fixitior de Beavers Full Hair Instantly Plus Densis. I don't know where this come from, this product, but I saw this and I gonna love this one because it really helped to make my hair volume. After I dry my hair, after I volume my hair, and I spray this one, it really helped to keep my hair volume. And I love the big hair, I love the volume hair, so I'm using this one. And this is a fiber hold spray, so it's really helped to look like that my hair is, ano yung very volume and talagang makapal tingnan. So that's the story of that. And this one bigay ko sa akin Inday Maganda Chang, and I love this one, Lax Styling Angel Fairy Cotton Dreams, and I love it. So ang bango, and then talagang it really helped to make my hair talagang make more volume, and talagang it's airy, talagang what's airy, it's look mahangin. So no, it's look that it's not look frizzy, but it look very alam niyo ang gaan-gaan sa ulo. So I like this one. Parang ang dami kong explanations, but yeah, this is the product na ginagamit ko for my hair. So this is the most product na ginagamit ko for my daily after I take shower, after I wash my hair, after I use my special product for my hair at the bathroom. And then I'm using this one, I'm using the oil, I'm using this volume spray for my hair. So, and of course I'm using this one. So let's dry our hair. Actually, I already dry my hair 50% with no anything. I just wipe and I just remain that. And then yeah, i-dry na natin. Parang ganun lang. So actually, this is my makeup Wednesday look for today. Yeah, maybe it's Wednesday today. But anyway, I just add my favorite cheek color, and this is from Chanel, and I love the shades, everyone. It's really perfect. Adding a blush on our face, a little bit of blush color, pink blush, beautiful color. So yeah, this is the final makeup look for my day today. And yeah, of course, I'm using my Tertier finishing makeup spray to make my makeup stay long in a whole day. And yeah, and this is my makeup look for today. And if you want to know this makeup look, just watch this video. And thank you so much, and please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, and kisses from me. Please, thank you so much always for watching and passing by my videos, everyone, and kisses. So next, I need to arrange my hair. Actually, it's not necessary. Just only dry my hair and blow a little bit, and that's it, because I have a short hair right now and I love it, and I feel more comfortable, clean, relaxed, and refreshed of my look of my short hair right now, everyone. So thank you so much, and kisses.